Ash. Asher. You can play with him.
Hello, 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 hello. Hello.
Give him a kiss. Archie.
Can I just read a book to him before you go? Okay? Ready? I'm going to read a story. Okay? Yes? I've never done that before. How nice. Come on, look this way. Look this way. Good boy. Ready? I'll just open this. Look. Egg. Egg? Yeah? Okay. Done that part. Come on, look this way. Come on, look at this way. Come on. Can't see it. Next page. Yeah, I buried a ball. And next page. The bones. Look, they're flying out. Flying out. Okay, next one. Here they are. Here lay on the bed, please.
Just gently, yeah. Alright. Give him another kiss and then we'll say goodbye. Hmm?
I want him to eat with me.
No. Just give him a kiss, okay? Oh, nice. Good girl.
Can I do one more? Just quickly.